All right, guys, we got us a 2020 Subaru BRZ. Really nice car. This is his second BRZ. The first one was total, so he went and bought him another one. I don't blame him. They're really beautiful cars. It's got factory converters there. Then it's got a secondary resonator there. Then he bought a bolt-on system. It's a PERRIN system. So I'll get you the part number in a second. He's looking it up for me. It comes with a resonator in the middle, flex pipe, and then 2.5-inch system into center inlet, as you guys can see right there, and then dual outlet there and there. So he had one of his hangers cracked right there from that system. So he brought it in because of a rattle when we fixed it for him. And I said, I'm gonna do a video for it for you guys so you can hear what a PERRIN system sounds like on these. He couldn't find it. He wanted a Tomy build, but the Tomy doesn't make a catback. They make it in pieces, and he just wanted a full system all at once made for this car. So that's what he did. There it is. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2019 Toyota 86 GT. He brought it in 2019 when he first bought it. It had an NVIDIA system put on. We put it on for him. And now he brought it back. He said he wants it louder. So it's got the factory converter up there. It's a catback system, it was. And then what we did is we cut the resonator off right there and put a 2.5-inch pipe in its place, then continued the 2.25. Then we did the muffler delete and put 2.25 pipe in its place. There and there. And guess what else we did? 5-inch blue flame tips. And honestly, they fit it perfectly. They fit that gap perfectly. So if you want to put them, you want to put those 5-inch angle cut blue flames, they look really nice on it. Just completes the whole look. There's the victims that we cut off. The two mufflers and the resonator. Right there, NVIDIA. So we'll see what she sounds like now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if we can find these tips, we'll put you a link in the description for them. Subaru BRZ with a PERRIN system, PERRIN. I'll get you guys a part number. Not bad. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? Oh, it's got a pop to it too. Again? Your sound decibels again? Right at 106. Go ahead and back it up. 106. That's not bad. It's got a nice little rasp. I like it. It's different. Again? Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Go ahead. Again? One more. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, it's loud. Oh my gosh. Sound doesn't. Again? Wow, 124. Again? His neighbor's gonna hate him. Sorry, guys. That is loud. Wow. Listen to that idle. It made my ears hurt. Seriously.
You know what you're saying? Imagine the cold start.
Let you guys hear on the inside. I just got him. This is the first set we actually put on. I had him special ordered.